Hello and welcome to greatmats.com, where you can expect great service. Today we're going to show you how to install the Matrax outdoor flooring used for walkways, party tents, stadium events, beach access, and more. These 4x4 foot tiles use a cam lock system to hold tightly together over nearly any ground surface, including grass, dirt, sand, gravel, and pavement, providing a fast drainage and slip-resistant outdoor surface. The cam lock features a locking disc, which has slots on top for turning with a T-bar or wrecking bar. On the underside of the disc is a rotating pin lock, which fits into an identically shaped keyhole in the bottom flange of an adjacent tile. Begin by laying out your tiles with the bottom flanges all pointed in the same direction and all locking discs turned to the unlocked position, identified by an open padlock emblem. Be aware that the two sides with locking discs will not have the slots facing the same direction, and the corner disc slots will align only on one side. Work out from the corner with the locking discs on top and lay the next tile over top the flange of the already laid tile, so the rotating pin fits into the keyhole. For added protection against shifting, each flange has 3 circular nubs that fit securely into the underside of the overlapping tile. If you're using a wrecking bar as your key for the cam lock, align the claw with the 2 slots on the disc and apply pressure on the heel of the wrecking bar to keep the claw in place. Then turn the disc using the wrecking bar in either direction until you feel or hear it click into place. Your slots should now align with the closed padlock emblem on the tile to indicate it's locked in place. If your wrecking bar is not placed flush with the bottom of the slots, not enough pressure is applied, or it is only placed on one side of the disc, the bar may slip out of the slot, damaging or stripping the locking disc slots. Be sure to secure all locks for a maximum hold. Disassembling the floor is just as easy. Simply turn the locks to the open positions and lift the tiles in reverse order in which they were laid. When done properly, they'll even unlock when wet. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new temporary outdoor event and access flooring.